All right, so good morning, Jamaica. Uh, Something that really bother me. I think we need to talk to you about this. All right, so the whole I want to know from previous video, say I love my garden, I love the environment, I'm gonna do a whole heap of things to actually make sure the environment, my environment, and Fui environment look nice. But you know, me showing all of my mango tree them and all my pineapple tree them and all my stuff them and my grow and make sure so they're nice and make my contribution to the environment, you know. But all my nice pineapple them, I'm showing them a nice pineapple them, how big them is now, and all of that. But there's something I really have to talk to them about today, because in addition to all of that, and I see what I'm showing a nice video, squirrel video about squirrel. You know some like animal, and I produce some nice video with squirrel and birds and all the different things. But something happened, I'm gonna really have to talk to them. So you see me papa them. Before I get to that, let me show you papa them. You see papa them nice. Look at them, nice. See that nice bunch of papa. But then take a look now upon this wickedness where the nice cute little squirrel them do. My nice ackee tree. Look on me ackee them. Look on me ackee them upon the ground. See the ackee them upon the ground? The nice squirrel when me show and promote on camera. Nyam off me ackee, pick up, look here. Look here. Look here. They name the ackee before they even open. You see that? Look here. You see her? I shown you because this morning it becks like a bull. Look here. Name off all me ackee them. Look here. Look here. See? Pick up the ackee them, drop them off on the ground. Look there. You see them? Look there. All over the place. Name off the ackee. This thing have to stop, a war now, because I tell us I'm going fixing business. Look on the grass. Look at all the grass. Then pull the ackee them all over the place. Look there. See the whole ackee tree? Pick off my ackee. Then come on the wire, the light wire up there, sir. So the light wire up there, sir. And then come down on the tree. And then pick off all the ackee. Name them before they even open. You see that? Sometimes they climb up on the fence, sir, and then go up on the tree and come down on the light post, sir. See that? Come on the light wire, come down on the light post, and then come on the fence and then come over. Now it's a bad business, because right now my becks. Now Jamaican no waste ackee. Everybody know that, not even in Jamaica. And they scroll them name off me ackee.